Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 20 richest baseball players and net worth in 2020. Number 20, Mike Piazza. Mike Piazza is a former professional basketball player from the United States who played for 16 seasons in the Major League Baseball. Piazza won NL Rookie of the Year in 1993 and also the prestigious Silver Slugger Award 10 different times. Number 19, CC Sabathia. The American Carsten Charles Sabathia Jr. played professional baseball for the Cleveland Indians, Milwaukee Brewers and the New York Yankees in a 19-year career spell in the MLB. He batted and threw left-handed awards accorded to him during his career include the AL Cy Young Award in 2007, American League Championship Series Most Valuable Player in 2009. Number 18, Carlos Beltran. The former professional from Puerto Rico is a baseball outfielder and a right-handed thrower. Specifically, Carlos Beltran put in 19 active years of play in MLB. His very first was in 1999 as AL Rookie of the Year, 3 times winner of the Gold Glove Award, 2 Silver Slugger Award, a Roberto Clemente Award, and World Series champion with the Houston Astros in 2017. Number 17, Barry Bonds. 7-time winner of the NL MVP Awards, 12-time winner of the Silver Slugger Awards, and 8 Gold Glove Awards to his name. Barry Bonds is regarded as one of the greatest in the game. He is a retired American professional, played in 22 MLB seasons in the colors of the San Francisco Giants and Pittsburgh Pirates. Number 16, Ken Griffey Jr. Nicknamed the Kid, Ken is the son to former American MLB player Ken Griffey Sr. He played for 22 fruitful years in MLB, which saw him pick several awards. He was also elected into the Mariners Hall of Fame, the Reds Hall of Fame, and the Baseball Hall of Fame with a 99.32% vote. Number 15, David Price. The American professional baseball pitcher has participated in several tournaments and events and picked several awards. And also become a World Series champion in 2018. David Price's net worth in 2020 is valued at $85 million, making him the 15th wealthiest baseball player. Number 14, Mariano Rivera. Mariano Rivera is a retired Panamanian American professional who invested 18 years in MLB with the New York Yankees. He is considered the best relief pitcher in MLB history and holds the most number of saves in the MLB with a total of 652 saves. Number 13, Gary Sheffield. Presently working as a sports agent, Sheffield is a former American professional baseball player in the MLB with 21 years of career play. The 9-time MLB All-Star is also a 1-time World Series champion, 5 Silver Slugger Award winner and NL batting champion. Number 12, Felix Hernandez. Felix Hernandez, nicknamed King Felix, is a Venezuelan American baseball pitcher currently with the Atlanta Braves. He played in the MLB for the Seattle Mariners from 2005 to 2019. Hernandez is a one-time winner of the AL Cy Young Award, two-time ALERA leader in 2010 and 2014, and MLB wins leader in 2009. Number 11. Justin Verlander. Justin Verlander is a professional baseball player from the US who played for the Detroit Tigers and presently with the Houston Astros in the MLB. Justin Verlander's net worth as of 2020 is approximately $95 million, placing him ninth on the list of wealthiest MLB players. Number 10. Joe Moore. Joseph Moore is a former American professional baseball player, a catcher, first baseman, and designated hitter. He played all 15 years of his MLB career in the colors of the Minnesota Twins and became one of the prolific catchers in the MLB with 3 Gold Glove awards to his name. Number 9. Manny Ramirez. Manny Ramirez is a Dominican-American professional baseball player who played 19 active seasons in the MLB, although forced to retire from the MLB after a 100-game suspension for violation of baseball drug policy. He still has his name credited for various awards and is considered one of the best right-handed power grip hitter. Number 8. Joey Votto. Joey Votto is a Canadian professional baseball player currently with the Cincinnati Reds in the MLB. He has won the Low Marsh Trophy twice, Tip O'Neill Award 7 times, NL Hank Aaron Award once, Gold Glove Award, and NL Most Valuable Player in 2010. Votto made his debut in 2007 for the Reds and is still active in play. Number 7. Chipper Jones. Chipper Jones is a former professional baseball player from the US with 19 years played in the MLB for the Atlanta Braves. He won several trophies and awards including World Series champion with the Atlanta Braves in 1995, 2 Silver Slugger Awards and MLB batting champion. Number 6. Randy Johnson. Randy Johnson, nicknamed the Big Unit, is an American former professional baseball player and one of the tallest players in the history of MLB. Johnson put in 22 years of play in the MLB for 6 different teams. However, Seattle Mariners was his most prolonged stay. Number 5. Miguel Cabrera. Miguel Cabrera, nicknamed Miggy, is a Venezuelan debuted in the MLB in 2003 for the Florida Marlins. In 2007, he was traded to the Detroit Tigers, his present club. Often regarded as one of the best hitters of his time, Miguel Cabrera's net worth is approximately $125 million. Number 4. Albert Pujols. Albert Pujols is a Dominican professional baseball player. He made his MLB debut in 2001 for the St. Louis Cardinals and played 11 seasons with them before his move to Los Angeles Angels in 2012, where he currently lives as a first baseman. Pujols is a 2-time World Series champion with St. Louis Cardinals. Albert Pujols' net worth in 2020 is around $170 million. Number 3. Ichiro Suzuki. Ichiro Suzuki is a former professional baseball player from Japan who has 23 seasons of play in the Professional Baseball League, 9 seasons in Nippon Professional Baseball in the colors of the Oryx Blue Wave in Japan, and 14 in the MLB with Seattle Mariners, New York Yankees, and the Miami Marlins. Number 2. Derek Jeter. Derek Jeter is an American former baseball player, now turned businessman and part owner of the American baseball team Miami Marlins of the MLB. His professional career saw him put in 20 seasons in the MLB with the New York Yankees from 1995 to 2014. He had his fair share, winning multiple awards and trophies. Number 1. Alex Rodriguez. Alex Rodriguez, nicknamed A-Rod, is a former professional baseball player from the US with 22 seasons of play in the MLB in the colors of the Mariners, Rangers, and Yankees. Although he had a controversial career due to his consumption of performance-enhancing drugs, that did not stop him from picking up several awards. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.